Online Payment Gateway Service Tutorial. Go to the school's website iistit.org. Click on the button Online Payment Gateway for School Fees. Once the screen is displayed, kindly read the provided information before proceeding for the payment. Then click on the button named Calculate the Fee before proceeding to payment. You will be directed to the Fee Calculator page, HALERP. Enter your child's GR number. The details of your child will appear on the right-hand side. Select the Pay Till month from the drop-down list. The total fees to be paid will appear on the screen. Click on Make Online Fees Payment. Select your card type, credit or MADA, then click on OK. The checkout page will appear. Please enter your card details, the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. Click on Pay to complete the transaction. Enter the OTP sent to your phone. You will see the payment successful screen. Click on Print Payment Receipt to download the fee invoice receipt. Please retain a copy of invoice for your reference.